Noxodin here, and this is my pocket knife collection. The first knife I will be showing you today is my favorite knife. It may look small from here, but when you open it, it's huge. Now, here's the blade. It has this part right here for cutting rope or wood or a vine or something. This part right here for cutting meat. It's really sharp. You close it by taking this and pushing it up forward so that the knife blade can swivel back and forth. And you close it in like that. It has a clip on the back. Then I will go to my second favorite knife. I have a case for it. It's also the smallest one in the collection. Its blade is similar, but is more for cutting ropes and vines. It is actually one of my favorite knives, and it has the same closing device where you just go like that and pull it in, close it up. The next two knives are actual pocket knives. This one is a stainless steel Pro Case 1. You open it up and it has pliers, numerous sets of bottle cap openers, a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a ruler, and a saw blade on one side. The next side has the actual knife itself and more bottle openers. That's this pocket knife. And it's also a cord stripper. You close it the same way you opened it, just by pushing them in, pushing it real hard with the palm. The last one has a big pair of scissors, two bottle cap openers, different size, the blade itself, a cork opener, a Phillips screwdriver, and a nail file. So far, that is my pocket knife collection. Remember, when you have pocket knife collections, always be safe. Do not stab or attempt to stab anyone with them. That is all for today.